Sir, are you now willing to divulge the name of mayor na sabi mo nag-handle ng Pogo owned by Mayor?
Alam na ni Marlon kung sino. Basta he's a mayor. Definitely he's not a senator.
Pero, sir,
Mayor sa North.
Sir, ba't ayaw niyong pangalanan ko ipapatawag siya ng committee? Meron ka bang
Well,
request
I just received a very, very reliable information that her partner is a public official. Kasi sabihin ko, mayor ng isang maliit na bayan sa Pangasinan. And according to my bubuit, siya yung nagpapatakbo ng POG operations ng owned by allegedly kay Mayor Alice Go. Doon mismo sa